Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the blockchain of Bitcoin. The world's first decentralized digital currency created in 2009 by an unknown individual or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It emphasizes that unlike traditional money, which is controlled by governments or banks, Bitcoin operates through a peer-to-peer network. Transactions are used using cryptography and stored on a public ledger called the blockchain. The key point is that Bitcoin is designed to be first, borderless, transparent, resistant to censorship, and independent from any central authority. So what is blockchain? Blockchain is the technology that makes Bitcoin possible. A blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records all the transactions across many computers, ensuring that no single entity controls the data. So the important features of blockchain. First, security. Data in each block is protected and linked to previous blocks, making tampering extremely difficult. Next, transparency. All transactions are visible to the public. And lastly, immutability. Once information is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered. Bitcoin relies on blockchain as the technology that records and verifies its transaction. Blockchain ensures security and transparency, protecting Bitcoin from fraud and manipulation. Bitcoin is just one example of how blockchain can be used. Blockchain has many other potential applications beyond cryptocurrency. Blockchain works through a distributed network of computers called nodes, each holding a complete copy of the blockchain. When a new transaction occurs, it is broadcast to the network and combined with other transactions to form a block. This block is then linked to the previous one through a cryptographic hash, creating a secure and unchangeable chain of data. Before a block can be added, the network must validate the transactions using a consensus mechanism. In the case of Bitcoin, this mechanism is called proof of work, where miners solve complex mathematical problems to confirm transactions and add the new block to the blockchain.
Key components of blockchain. This slide explains the building blocks of blockchain. Nodes are computers that store and maintain the blockchain. Blocks hold subgroups of transactions. Hashes are unique digital codes that link each blocks to the next. Together, they form a secure, connected, and tamper-resistant system. Bitcoin transaction process. This slide shows the steps when sending Bitcoin. A user enters the receiver's address and amount. The transaction is broadcast to the network and picked by miners. Miners verify it by solving cryptographic puzzles. Once verified, it added to a block, which becomes part of the blockchain. After that, the recipient officially receives the Bitcoin. Blockchain security features. This slide highlights why blockchain is so secure. Because it's decentralized, there is no single point of failure. Each block is linked through cryptographic hashes, making the data nearly impossible to change. Blockchain's transparency allows anyone to verify transactions, which build trust and strengthen security. Bitcoin mining and proof of work. This slide explains how new Bitcoin is created. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. The first miner to solve one adds the next block and receives newly created Bitcoin as a reward. The process, called from proof of work, secures the whole network and prevents fraud. Advantages of blockchain in Bitcoin. This slide covers why blockchain benefits Bitcoin. It provides transparency since anyone can view transactions. It provides security through cryptography. It removes intermediaries like banks, making transactions faster and cheaper. And it lowers overall costs by eliminating traditional banking fees.
For the challenges of Bitcoin, arguably the most pressing is scalability. The current design limits the network to processing only about 7 transactions per second. When demand spikes, this creates a digital bottleneck. Transactions pile up, and users are forced to pay higher and higher fees just to get their activity confirmed. This prevents Bitcoin from truly acting as a global high-volume payment system. Second, we have the issue of energy consumption. Bitcoin relies on a mechanism called proof of work, which is intentionally power-hungry to secure the network. The result is a massive environmental footprint, raising serious sustainability concerns and driving major criticism from global institutions. These challenges are real, but they are also driving incredible innovation, enhancing the Bitcoin blockchain in its future trajectory. The future of Bitcoin hinges on successfully improving its infrastructure, and we are already seeing progress, mainly through Layer 2 solutions. The most critical development is the Lightning Network. Think of it as a express lanes built on top of the main highway. It allows users to create off-chain payment channels for near-instant, extremely low-cost transactions, only settling the final net balance on the main blockchain. This fundamentally transformed Bitcoin into a viable medium for everyday commerce. Furthermore, efforts are underway to improve privacy and fungibility. But remember, blockchain is not just about Bitcoin. Expanding Horizons blockchain technology beyond Bitcoin. The biggest step beyond Bitcoin was Ethereum, which introduced the concept of smart contracts. These are self-executing agreements written directly into code. But the utility extends far beyond the crypto space. Consider supply chain management. Blockchain provides a transparent and unchangeable record of a product's journey, from raw materials to the consumer. This helps companies verify authenticity, track ethical sourcing, and quickly identify fraud or contamination. The use cases are transforming industries across the board. In healthcare, it can securely manage and share sensitive patient records. In traditional finance, it streamlines cross-border payments, cutting out costly and slow intermediaries. And in the realm of governance, it holds the potential to create self-sovereign digital identities and provide verifiable, tamper-proof records for voting systems. In every case, the value proposition is the same: transparency, security, and efficiency through the elimination of a single point of failure. In conclusion, blockchain technology is not just a passing trend. It is a fundamental shift with the potential to transform virtually every industry built on trust and transaction. Yes, challenges like scalability and regulation still exist, but continuous radical innovation, driven by Layer 2 solutions and new consensus mechanisms, is actively tackling these issues head-on. The impact of blockchain will continue to expand dramatically beyond its origins in Bitcoin, driving new opportunities for a more secure, transparent, and distributed world. The shift from centralized systems to decentralized ledgers is underway, and it is poised to redefine our digital interactions for decades to come. Thank you.